I just wanted to show you guys that this vivid pink and this vivid pink, this one has the gold tone, and as you can tell, this one is silver. And then this is my Bath and Body Works little ice cream bar. I thought that would look cute hanging on there. It's a little big, or either my C charm. I thought that would look cute hanging my Coach. So yeah, let me show you guys what I packed in it. I was thinking this strap would look really nice with this one. I'm undecided if I need both of these, because look, they're really, both are small bags. But yeah, this one probably is more efficient because of the pockets, and in the inside it has the back, the zipper, this pocket, plus this little front pocket. So that's why I haven't completely unwrapped it, and usually I don't unwrap all of my stuff until I decide to wear it. But anyway, this is what I packed in the inside. As you can see, I'm gonna have my Barbie tissue. I have my H&M lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's real glossy. What is this called? Pink, like pink. Let's see. Like pink. I have some more H&M lip gloss. This is Love Point. This is my Twisted Peppermint hand lotion. I have a fingernail file from the Dollar Tree. These are my AirPods. I have some lotion, some EOS lotion. I have my little NARS makeup. I primarily have it for the mirror, but this is Orgasm, and it has a mirror on it. So yeah, this is, and then I have some Prada perfume. It's a nice little small size. I have a pen. And I have my MCM wallet, although it's empty. The cards will fit. It has 2 on here, 2 on this side, and then it has an opening in the middle. I have my Native Candy Cane deodorant. It just looks like this. And then this is my little Hello Kitty pouch. I have some Tic Tacs, Neutrogena. I love these little compressed towels. It's so hot here, you can wet this and use it as a towel to wipe your face. And then I have some Tylenol, and then I have my purse hook in there. And that's all that I have in here. So it's pretty roomy, and my phone fits in there. I have a 12 Pro Max. I'll try to take a picture of that. So this is it.
It's really cute. So, but it looks like a dog bone to me, even though it's a bowl, but it kind of looks like a dog bone. So that's what I packed in here. Everything fits in there nice and neat, as you can see. So, yeah, I don't know. I'm decided. I probably will most likely keep it. I doubt if I would return it. It's a cute little bag, and everything has its own little place. Of course, when you sometimes packing on camera, everything doesn't fit initially how you had it in there, but you guys did see everything in there. A little Tic Tac, I took it out there a little, and my pen, and then I have this little compressed towel. So yeah, this is it. I think I got everything in there. Also my Bath and Body Works, I like this too. This would look cute on here. It's kind of like college, high school, teenagers. This one looks cute. So, or my Sea Charm. So I have lots of options. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Deuces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up. All right, see you.